Hello everyone, King Kobe here. Welcome to another video. Now in this video, we are going to look at the SIM re-registration and the procedures involved. Now, this is to my Ghanaian folks, right? Towards the end of last year, 2021, it was announced that every SIM card subscriber is supposed to re-register their SIM card with Ghana card. Actually, the Ghana card is the only accepted identity card that can be used for this SIM card re-registration. So if you don't have your Ghana card, you will need to visit any NIA office or GRA office to get your Ghana card done for you. The whole process takes about an hour and then 45 minutes to complete, and then you will get your Ghana card. I would also like to add that per the communication, if you don't get your SIM card registration done by the end of March, you are going to be blocked from using the network services, which means that you will not be able to use their mobile money services. You cannot make calls or send text messages. So it is actually very important or prudent that you do it. Now, there are two main steps in this SIM card registration. The first one is you linking your SIM card to your Ghana card from your mobile phone via USSD. Some networks like Vodafone have made it possible for you to even use their mobile app to do the SIM card registration or the linking. The second step is actually you visiting the telco's service centers. They have actually issued communiques as to which places to go to do the second step. So in the second step, you are going to do a biometric capture, and then you need your Ghana Post address, that is your GPS code, your Ghana card itself, and then a unique code that you will receive after linking your SIM card to your Ghana card from your mobile phone via USSD. For the purpose of this video, I am going to actually take you through how you are going to do the first step, that is linking your SIM card to your Ghana card. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So first thing, you dial *404# and then you press send. In the next prompt, you choose 1, that is register. You press send, and then now you have to enter your Ghana card number. Now you do this entry without the dash. You know, the Ghana card has a special format that has been presented, but this time you type all the figures without the dashes. The next step, you have to dial it again to confirm the number, and then you now take your details, that is your surname. You enter your surname. The next prompt, you enter your first name, and then you also enter your date of birth at the next prompt without any dash or slashes. So if you are born in 1st January 2001, you dial 01012001 like that. The next is you select your sex according to your gender. So if you are male, you press 1. If you are female, you select 2, and then you press send. The next step, that is actually the final step, you'll be presented with a summary of your info, and then you choose 1. After confirmation that every input is correct, you choose 1, that is yes, and then you proceed. Just after you choose 1, you will receive a pop-up notification to confirm that your input has been received, and then is awaiting verification. The verification actually takes a few seconds. So just after that, after your info has been validated or verified, you will receive another confirmation message that says that you have successfully linked your SIM card to your Ghana card, and then you will be given a unique code. So as I said earlier, you need a unique code when you visit the service center for your biometric capture, together with your Ghana Post address, that's your GPS, and then your Ghana card. So that is basically the procedure involved in linking your Ghana card with your SIM card for the SIM re-registration. That is the first step. The second step, as I said, you have to go to the service center for a biometric capture. You will need a Ghana card for this. So if you don't have a Ghana card, visit an NIA office or a GRA office to get your Ghana card done. So I believe this video was helpful, and then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a like if this video was very helpful to you. Don't forget to also share my channel. My name is King Kobe, and I'll come your way with another video. But till we meet again, stay safe, eat well, and make the best out of every day.